Disability Services Office, Kutztown University. Making payments on MyKU, using JAWS.
Hello everyone. Today we will be going over making payments on MyKU. When on the MyKU homepage, press Insert with F7 to access the list of links on the page. Type K until you get to KU Financial Account and hit Enter. Now down arrow to a menu titled Toggle Side Tab and hit Enter to expand it. Once this menu is expanded, down arrow to the Payment Dashboard button and hit Enter. Once the page loads, you can see the balance that you owe by navigating by heading until you get to Overview Heading Level 1 and then using the down arrow to get to Balance. If you down arrow again and hear that your balance is $0, no action is needed, but if there is a balance due, you must pay it right away. In order to make a payment, go to the top of the web page and then down arrow to the Show Main Menu button and hit Enter. Once this menu is expanded, down arrow to a link titled Make a Payment and hit Enter. Once on this page, navigate by heading until you get to Make a Payment Heading Level 1 and then follow the prompts to pay any charges that are due. This was Making Payments on MyKU.